In this video, we're going to walk through how to install SharkBite 1 1/4 inch and 2-inch fittings. SharkBite is the leader in complete solutions for improving plumbing efficiency and getting the job done. To get started, identify the pipe material. SharkBite brass fittings are compatible with PEX, copper, CPVC, PERT, and HDPE pipe. If installing on PEX, PERT, or HDPE pipe, tube stiffeners are necessary and sold separately. To make a connection, cut the pipe as cleanly and squarely as possible. Wipe the pipe to be sure it is free and clean of debris. If using copper pipe, deburr the outside of the pipe to remove any sharp sections or burrs. Using a SharkBite depth and deburr tool, measure and mark the insertion depth. The insertion depth chart can be found on SharkBite.com. Push the fitting onto the pipe to the mark you just made. Once all connections are complete, turn on the water to test the system. SharkBite fittings can be removed to make changes or alterations to plumbing. To remove, use the correctly sized disconnect clip, place the clip on the pipe, and align the lugs on the fitting. Push the clip in and rotate counterclockwise until the clip is locked into place. Remove the pipe from the fitting, then twist the clip again to remove it from the fitting. Using SharkBite is fast, efficient, and reliable.